Atomic Habits by James Clear. Did you know that if you improve yourself by just 1% every day, you will be 37 times better? That's the hidden power of tiny habits. And in fact, this idea transformed the British cycling team. Back in 2003, they were so bad that bike companies refused to sell them gear. But under coach Dave Brailsford, they focused on tiny improvements like adjusting the bike seat by 1 millimeter, improving their pillows for better sleep, even making sure tires were cleaned more often. These small changes compounded, turned them into world's champions. That's the magic of Atomic Habits by James Clear. And in today's video, I'll not only explain the summary of the book, but also share how it can transform your personal, professional, emotional, and social life. So let's dive in. At its heart, Atomic Habits teaches one powerful truth. Habits are the compound interest of self improvement. Think of it this way: if an airplane leaving New York shifts its nose just a few degrees south, it won't land in Los Angeles. It will land in Mexico. Small changes, when compounded, create completely different destinations in life. The same is true for your habits also. Now, let's talk about the four laws of habit formation. James Clear gives us a simple framework to build good habits and break the bad ones. These are the four laws of behavior change. First, make it obvious. If you want to start a habit, make the cue visible. For example, if you want to eat healthier, put fruits on the table instead of hiding them in the fridge. James Clear himself kept his guitar in the middle of his room so he would practice it daily. Second, make it attractive. Pair your habit with something you love. A friend of mine hated going to gym, but he only allowed himself to listen to his favorite podcast while working out. Soon, he started looking forward to the gym. Third, make it easy. Start small, ridiculously small. A reader of Atomic Habits begin flossing just one tooth a day. Sounds silly, right? But soon he was flossing all his teeth without resistance. The lesson: simplicity beats motivation. Fourth, make it satisfying. We humans love rewards. The comedian Jerry Seinfeld used to put a big cross on his calendar for every day he wrote a joke. Over time, he created a chain of crosses. His rule: don't break the chain. That visual satisfaction kept him consistent. Now, the question might arise in your mind: why the small changes work? Small habits may seem meaningless at first, but think of bamboo. It's watered for years without visible growth. Then, suddenly, in the fifth year, it shoots up to 90 feet in just weeks. Habits work exactly like that. Results are invisible at first, then explosive later. That's why consistency matters more than intensity. Now let's talk about how these atomic habits can impact different areas of your life. Professional life. Instead of saying I'll be more productive, start small. Write your to-do list every night or check emails only twice a day. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, built a culture of constant learning at work by focusing on small, daily learning habits. Personal life. A man lost over 100 pounds, not with a crash diet, but with small habits: parking further away, walking 10 minutes daily, replacing soda with water. Tiny changes built momentum for massive results. Emotional life. Winfrey keeps a gratitude journal daily. This small habit rewires the brain to focus on positivity and resilience instead of stress. Social life. A Harvard study revealed People who habitually check in on friends enjoy stronger relationships and even longer lives. Something as small as texting one friend every Sunday can make your social bond stronger. But here's the deepest lesson of the book. True change comes from identity, not just outcomes. Don't say, I want to quit smoking. Instead, say, I am not a smoker. One woman, James Clear, mentions quit for good simply by shifting her identity. You don't just do habits, you become your habits. That's when transformation is permanent. So here's my challenge for you. Today, choose just one atomic habit. Read one page, drink more glasses of water, or walk for 10 minutes. That's it. Because success doesn't come from radical overnight change, it comes from being 1% better every day. If this summary of Atomic Habits inspired you, hit the like button. Share this with a friend who is chasing big goals. And subscribe for more book wisdom that can transform your personal, professional, and emotional life. Remember, tiny habits, big results. This is your first step toward becoming the person you want to be. Thank you.